Hey there, welcome to It's All About the Cocktail. You can call me Ray. Anyways, tonight I want to tell you about something that's extremely simple. I mean, there are times my wife says, make me a drink, but I want to make her something simple because I don't want to go through a lot of different ingredients. She's happy with this cherry rum and lemonade. Nice and easy. That's why she can make it herself too, if I'm not around. Bacardi makes a great cherry infused rum. Okay? It's 35% ABV, alcohol by volume, which is a little bit lower than the usual 40. So it's got a nice little handy grip on the back. We're going to put almost 2 ounces of cherry rum in there. Okay. Like I said, I'm just going to put, I'm going to put a 1/4 ounce. This stuff's really sweet. So I'm going to put like a 1/4 ounce of the Luxardo Maraschino. Now, if you want a little bit sweeter, you can throw your maraschino cherries, the kind you buy at the store that are really bright red. You can throw some of those in there. But I want to throw in some fresh cherries that I got from the store. Now, just what you want to do is just top that off with some lemonade. Now, the lemonade you want to get some like low calories, some stuff that's a little bit better. So it won't be quite so sweet. So this is 15 calories lemonade, so that's pretty good. Okay. We'll throw a little more ice in there. And also, what we're going to do is we're going to throw some fresh cherries on the top there. So a lot of them will sink down inside the glass, which is good because, after you're drinking the thing, you pull out a nice rum-soaked cherry. Then you just want to put a couple stir sticks in there, give it a nice stir. Let the cherry sink in there, give it a nice stir. And check it out. Oh, that is good, man. Really refreshing. Not heavy. Very good. I think you should try it out. Do me a favor. Try it out. Of course, I want you to try it out. I want you to subscribe. Like this, but send me a comment. Tell me if you like simple drinks, cherry rum, cherry and lemonade. Lemonade mixed with so many different things. I mean, this is a good drink for the summer. It's what you drink in the summer a lot. But send me a comment. Let me know what you think. I look forward to hearing from you. Because at the end of the day, it's all about the cocktail. I'll catch up with you just in time for the next round. See you later.